What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I got some really exciting news. This is going to be a blast. It's going to be so much fun. I don't know if you guys follow Cleetus McFarland on Facebook, but he posted a couple days ago on Monday night that he was going to do an invitational race only, and it was going to be 16 racers, and they were coming to Bradenton, Florida, and we were going to go drag racing. I sent him a message. He responded, invitational race only, quarter mile, had to have at least a 9-second car, faster than a 9-second car. So that's really fast in the quarter mile. And so the biggest thing is you've got to have a Christmas tree attached to the top of your car for the entire pass, and it's got to have Christmas lights on it. It's real short notice. A lot of my crew is not going to be able to go, but we're going to have enough people that we're going to have a good time. We're going to have fun. We should be able to get some good footage, and hopefully, we just have a good time. It's a long ways to go for one race, and it's a shootout. It's a 16-car, no-time shootout. They're not going to do any type of testing. It's going to be straight off the trailer, and so we're going to go down there, and we're going to have fun. We're going to try it. I am having a problem, though. You see behind me now, I'm in my little town in Clayton. We got the nice little Christmas light here. Christmas is all around, and apparently in North Carolina, in Clayton, Raleigh, and the surrounding areas, there's a Christmas tree shortage. And so I have been driving around for like 2 hours, 3 hours, going to all the places where normally those little pop-up tree stands pop up, and they're all gone. They're all closed down. You go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Food Line, all those places, nobody has any trees. So I'm kind of in a pickle. I'm supposed to be going down there. I've got a little bit of work to do on the car. I'm gonna go work on the car a little bit tomorrow night, get it set up. Got a few changes I need to make to that to bring it back from no prep to a prep track. Bradenton Motorsports Park is generally a really sticky track. I haven't been quarter mile in a very long time. I got to go back and watch the footage from Rockingham when I run that 804, I think it was, and I got to figure out what gear I had in the car. Right now I got a 390 gear in the car. May go to a 373. I've got a 373 and a 327 or 331. So it may get a gear change, but I got to get all the way out of the car. I might have to change the bag springs. I got a lot of stuff to do to it to get it back on a more radio-friendly setup. That brings me to the next question, or the next thing I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to keep slicks on it or not, or if I'm going to put radials on it. I may keep the slicks on it just in case it's not quite as sticky. It's a Monday. There's only 16 cars. It's a private event. No spectators are going to be there. So the track may not be super, super glued up. So my biggest problem, my biggest issue that I have right now, I'm confident I can make the right choices. I can make the right decisions on the race car. I can get it so that it's going to go down a reasonably fast time and not have its tongue stuck out at 9,500 RPM going across the finish line. The problem I've got, I've been riding around all night, 2.5, 3 hours, 3.5 hours. I've kind of lost track of time, and there are no Christmas trees. There are no Christmas trees. It has to be a live Christmas tree. And so I'm looking, I can't find anything. I'm gonna have to get up with them and see if there's any like specific type that we have to have in the main thread. I remember seeing something about some types. Fraser firs, I mean, which is normally what we have here in North Carolina. They cut them down in the mountains, and then they bring them here, and then they just sell them at the Christmas tree lots. But I can't find any. I can't find any Fraser firs at all. So there are some tree lots that they have, like the red cedar and the Virginia pine and I think white pine, and they're Christmas trees. So I'm gonna check those out and see what they look like. But I would prefer to find a Fraser fir, and I just can't find any. I mean, it doesn't have to be even 6 foot tall. I mean, as long if it was a little bit taller than that, probably not going to be a big deal. So it just so happens. So this year for Christmas, we went to the mountains and we got a Fraser fir.
This is a 10-foot tree from this side. Which one do you like, this one or the one up there? Okay. Okay, this one.
Timber. Well, that was easy enough. It would have been more exciting with a handsaw. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, let's go take it back down there. And that's currently in our house, decorated with lights. It's big. It's like 9.5 foot tall, 9 foot tall. So we're leaving Sunday. We're leaving Sunday to go down there. The race is on Monday. So I'll be back in town. I'll be back home Tuesday. Christmas is Friday. If I can't find a Fraser fir, then I don't know if Kelly will get real mad. They might get pretty mad, but I'm gonna be bringing it back. I mean, if I take the tree out of our house, I can take our ornaments off so they don't get broken. It's already got the lights on it. I mean, all I gotta do is take it out of the holder. It's already starting to dry out. I mean, we've had it for a couple weeks now. We've had it for like 2.5 weeks, so it's not accepting much water anymore. It's pretty big, so I definitely couldn't cut it. So I'd have to have, I mean, it would be a 9.5 foot tall Christmas tree. How long is a Mustang? 20 feet. So, I mean, it would hang off pretty far. It's pretty heavy when I pulled it in the house, but man, I'm gonna have to go break this news to Kelly. This is, yeah, that's the plan. If I can't find a Christmas tree, unless we could stop beside the road and cut something down, like in Florida or Georgia or South Carolina, we could just pull over. We could just stop beside the road and cut down some type of pine tree, if that would work. I don't know. I need to find the rules specifically and see if it's got what type of tree it is. If it's got to be a Fraser fir, Kelly, I love you, baby, and I know you love me, and I know you want me to go to Bradenton and do this. So I'm sure you guys, man, that tree will be mangled if I bring it back home. 180 miles per hour is what I plan on running. Yeah, the tree will be kind of mangled, but that may be exactly what we have to do. Let's go talk to Kelly about this and see how she feels. Guys,
What?
So I'm having a hard time finding a Christmas tree for the race
Okay.
on Saturday
No.
on Monday.
No. The answer is no.
We have a
No.
Christmas tree.
No, you're not taking our Christmas tree.
Look,
the cat loves the tree.
Look, I'm just saying, look, it's a little taller than normal. It's like 9.5 foot tall.
No, you're not.
It only has to be 6. Okay, look, look, we have 2 options. We got 2 options.
You're not taking the Christmas tree.
I have come up with 2 options. Hear me out. Listen.
I might have a third one.
Okay, listen to my 2 options. First option, I can cut it off at the 6 foot mark and leave half of it here.
No.
And then when I get back, I can kind of try to put it back together.
No.
Other option,
Put it back together? What? No.
It's kind of crooked anyway. Okay, look, so the next option is it's already decorated. It's got lights, which y'all did a fantastic job decorating the tree too. But we can take the big ornaments off. We can get all the ornaments off. We can get all the nice little ribbon off here, all this pretty stuff. And it's already lit. And we could take the tree. I'm leaving Sunday. So the tree will only be gone from Sunday till Tuesday. I'm coming back Tuesday. No, we're going to be going like 180 mile per hour. It may not look quite the same. It may be a little different looking.
Little hair, maybe.
I mean, it's starting to, it's,
A little raggedy.
it wants to participate. It wants to participate.
No, it doesn't. It's a tree. It shouldn't be going 180 miles an hour.
It's going to think it's a hurricane or a tornado.
Yeah, it would have to be like. I'm gonna have to say no on this one.
I mean, it's only going to be gone for a couple days.
No. And it's also.
Okay, what was your... No, it will come back for sure. It's going to come back.
I think you need to get your butt out into the woods and cut one down.
I mean, we do that might be an option too. What was your option, Chase? What did you think?
My option was you go find one.
I've been riding around for over 3 hours. There are no pop-up Christmas tree lights. I mean, corners, the pop-up Christmas tree stands are all closed. Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, there are no Christmas trees left.
There's woods back there.
Yeah.
They don't look like a Christmas tree. It looks like a tree.
Yeah, tell me to go out in the woods. And
Go
cut one
cut.
down.
Just
Unless it's gonna look like a Charlie Brown tree.
yes. Go get it.
Okay.
It'll
Look,
match your car.
what are you trying to say?
You want a Christmas tree better than your car?
That's messed up. Okay, so guys, they are not agreeing at the moment, but we just started talking about this now.
What do you mean at the moment?
Okay, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We're gonna have a Christmas tree. I don't know what it's gonna look like. If it's tall, then yeah, that's gonna be the one. All right, guys, we'll see y'all.
You are not